Hi, I'm Sandy. Welcome to La Fresa Francesa. This is my love. His name
Hi,
is...
I'm Ben. I'm the chef at La Fresa Francesa.
I'm Zachary Swanson. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm the owner of Unbranded Brewing Company.
I'm Paul Hernandez. I'm a councilman with the city of Hialeah. We're at La Fresa Francesa, Hialeah's French bistro. And what we're doing today is we're helping the people of the greater Houston area. We're collecting funds to be able to send over there to play a small role in the efforts to help them get back on their feet from Hurricane Harvey.
I'm from there originally. I grew up in West University, pretty much the city center. And yeah, I mean, my whole family's still back there. My extended family's there. They're all fine, thankfully. I was looking at storms, and this is like around the 4th or 5th worst storm in U.S. history. All across the country, people have been helping out, and it's really been kind of surprising.
What La Fresa Francesa is offering today is a Houston steak sandwich, of which 100% of the proceeds are going to go to Hurricane Harvey relief. That's going to run through the entire week.
It's a hanger steak, cooked medium rare, comes on a little bun, some blue cheese from Dombert, some blue cheese from France, one of the oldest blue cheese in France, some grilled onions, and Funyuns.
Funyuns.
To make it a little crispy and fun.
Yeah, what we're doing today is we're pouring a Belgian double. Donate $3, get a free beer, just to chip in our own product to help.
I'm finally here at La Fresa Francesa. Always wanted to come, but the relief for Hurricane Harvey made me come today, unregrettably so, because the food is fantastic.
Describe to me the taste and just the experience.
Okay, the taste was incredible. It was a great blend of the blue cheese and the onions, and everything was great. Quality of the meat incredible, and the beer, by the way, oh my gosh, it's great. We have now a brewery in Hialeah. I loved it.
Hialeah is a very helping and giving city. We have a really, really big heart. Government works best when you have that help from the private sector. They're the ones that are really able to come together with someone like me and make everything possible.
Thanks to Mr. Green's Produce, and thanks to Bush Brothers, who's our meat purveyor, and thanks to Marky's, who caught wind of what we were doing and actually helped us out with the ingredients. I think it's really cool how people just heard about what we were doing and reached out and wanted to partner up, and that's really beautiful.
Donate anything and everything you can. Everybody in Houston's just a person like anybody down the street. It's great to have everybody concerned and working towards rebuilding Houston, and thank you very much for anything and everything you can give.
Estamos aquí colaborando con el Hurricane Harvey para todos los damnificados de Texas. Los invito a venir a probar el arte culinario francés hecho aquí en Hialeah, la ciudad que progresa. Los saludamos de aquí con mucho gusto para toda la comunidad latina.
And I just wanted to say to Hialeah, merci beaucoup.